In every piece of wood, there's a story waiting to be told. The craftsman's hands shape dreams from raw timber. Every grain, every knot, a testament to patience and skill. Precision is measured in millimeters, but mastery is measured in years. The saw's steady rhythm is the heartbeat of the workshop. Sparks may fly, but it's patience that shapes the masterpiece. With every pass of the router, a vision comes to life. The plane glides, smoothing rough edges into something beautiful. Sawdust fills the air, a sign of progress and passion. Carving details, the craftsman leaves his mark for generations. Every measurement, every cut is a promise of quality. In the glow of the workshop, ideas become reality. The carver's touch brings out the soul of the wood, smoothing the surface, preparing for a perfect finish. Each stroke, each movement, a lesson in patience. Staining the wood, revealing its natural beauty. Structures rise, built to last and inspire. Polishing brings out the shine, the pride of the maker. In the heart of the workshop, tradition meets innovation. The finished piece, a testament to dedication and love. Each creation unique as the hands that made it. The journey of wood, from forest to masterpiece, is a journey of heart. In every touch, the spirit of the maker lives on. The workshop may empty, but the legacy remains. At Sawdust Pioneers, this is where history meets modern woodworking. We believe woodworking isn't just about building furniture. It's about carrying on the pioneer spirit of creativity, self-reliance, and craftsmanship. Are you ready to build like a pioneer? Click like and subscribe. Be sure to click the link in the bio or video description for 50 free woodworking plans today.